in 3.
Oh, Donna, why are you doing bad on your grades? You need to start focusing on singing and spend more time on school. Your mother starts crying whenever you start singing. She told me to come and tell you that you need to put your grades top priority and stop singing. You know the grading scale we have in this household. A, average. B, below average. C, can't eat. D, don't come home. F, find a new home. If you do not go in your room and you come out when you're docked up. If not, I send you back to middle income. You need to stop trying to sing even though you know you can't. Start putting grades top priority.
That was so racist. That's so funny.